So see to it that it is really tightened. Uh, tingnan nyo guys. Another one.
Take two.
Take two. Ben! Bakit naman? Balihon siya paraon. Okay. Again na po. Kaya may plaster sa kami. Okay, let's do it again. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Soon I will have my official Facebook channel. And as of the moment, sorry, YouTube. Okay, so at this very moment, napapa-early yung Christmas ko kasi someone gave me this gift. Oh my God! Wow! And this is I wanted to share my gift to you guys. So this is it na. I'm going to open it. I do not know. Ano siya? Ako i-feel. It's like gahi. Actually, it's a video stabilizer instructions. Ay, instructions na? Ang gipadala sa Lazada. Instructions na yung gipadala guys. Actually, hindi siya instructions. Muna siya instruction, video stabilizer. So someone gave me this because for vlogging actually. So this I guess this is very helpful for me in my cause as a vlogger soon. Okay, so later I will announce my channel, my official YouTube channel, and please do subscribe because I'll be giving freebies, more surprises and all. So you will not be part of my mga pakulo if you will not subscribe to my channel. Okay, as of the moment, ato siya i-open, no? So, hinatan siya sa akong friend, very good friend.
Oh my God!
And I want to share it with you. Actually, gigan siya sa Lazada. Pero among gipalit sa City Hardware. Pero actually, Lazada ay ginong-colored. Okay, wala mi nag-promote sa Lazada, pero sa Lazada lang gibiganahan. Mag-open ko sa ako ang kay bawal mo siya gisiun. So, kay masisi akong kamot nga lamig yung mga cutics. So, ato ta sa itong mga pencil case.
A few moments later.
Mayroon tayo dito ang scissor. Ang scissor sa Tagalog ay gunting. Okay. Sa Bisaya, gunting gihapon. Okay. How this thing works?
How much?
For only COD 609,000. Actually, 609 pesos. Very minimal. Okay, very reasonable. But the quality itself, I do not know.
Oh no!
Okay, so eto na po siya. Please take a good look with my gift. Charan! Okay. Okay, it's properly sealed. Okay, yung packaging niya guys, sobrang ganda, promise. So may bubble casing pa siya. So that means hindi talaga siya yung parang nauntog or parang chinararat lang ng mga packaging. It's a good packaging actually with what's this? A sticker, what you ordered, actually na-reflect dito. So the amount is here. Saan galing? So everything is here. Okay, let's move on to our box. And here we go. Ayan. So, konting kaalaman para sa ating mga viewers, it is a video stabilizer. So, here's the instruction. So, features niya, supports digital cameras and camcorders up to 2.1 pounds. So, hindi siya ganun kabigat. And then, comfort grip handle. So, it is easy to handle. So, surely, hindi siya ma-slip away sa mga hands. And of course, super gimbal for smooth. Unsa man yung gimbal? Hindi rin ako ni Sukara. Wala na kabasturyaan eh. And accurate motion. Siguro, accurate motion show. So, parang, hindi kagaya nung phone lang at saka yung ginagamit na yung kamay na pag mag-video ka, sobrang blurry yung video kasi hindi ganun siya ka-stable. Here we go. Charan! Okay, wow. Sobrang social packaging, guys. Promise. Thank you so much, Lazada, for giving us this legit item. So, wow. Ito pala yung video stabilizer. So, here it is, guys. For the vloggers, so you must have this item. This one is, what we call, timbangan. Saan paggamit ani. Now the question is, how to use this one? Because it's my first time to have this. Because I used to have my phone when vlogging. But this time, I want to raise it to a higher level. That is when I-order ko timbangan sa Lazada. So, this is the handle. Diba? I presume. This is the handle. Nice grip, promise. It's it's made of a very good rubber. So even na yung sobrang oily ng kamay mo or talagang may taong may sobrang yung watery yung hand, so rest assured hindi siya ma-slip away from your fingers or from your hands. And then ito po is, I think, lalagyan na ng camera. Okay, let's check. For cellphone? Okay. Cellphone grip. Okay, very good. Well, if you'd like to ask my opinion about this item, this is my on-hand video stabilizer. For the quality, for the physical outlook, from 1 to 10, I give this one as 10 because it's well polished and then heavy. Durable. Yeah, it's very durable, and then metal plate, and then rest assured that the phone won't slip away from this, because I know this is made from a very good metal. And of course, its usability, maybe it's 100%. Yung problema ko guys is how to use this one, how to
1 hour later.
to place the cell phone here, like this one. Okay, it's raining, it's pouring. Yeah. No, don't. Time is 5:45 in my watch, and it's raining outside, so we have to continue this vlog. Okay, this is now how to do it. So first, you have to install or attach the camera. Since we have no camera yet, yung camera na okay. So we have here, ito yung camera na tinutukoy dito sa ating instruction. This one, this is the camera, and this is the camera holder for...
Is that your camera?
No, it's not mine. I borrowed it from a very good friend. Yeah, he is so generous. So this is the cell phone holder. So this is where the right place na ilalagay mo yung matanggal or you have to hold this one to... Yeah. Ilalam niya. Sorry. First time good no. Second time maglagot no. Okay, so this is now the camera. Yeah, see to it that your camera has this like a metal hole inside. I mean, nakikita na siguro. Okay, this is the purpose why we have this one. For the cell phones, the camera stand. Yeah, the tripod. So it's where you're going to place this one. This is your camera. So you have to attach your camera here in this like tube plate, sabi siya. Yeah, and then you do it like this here. This part will tighten the grip of your camera. See to it na it is properly tightened, kay kapag maluwag hindi siya masarap. So see to it that it is really tightened. Tingnan nyo guys. Hindi ako marunong mag-tighten. Okay. Another one.
Take two.
Take two. Ben! Bakin na, men! Okay, see to it again. See to it that this thing is properly tightened so the camera won't slip away from the stand. And we are good to go. Yeah, perfect. So, I was able to tighten the camera in its holder. So first is attach the camera in this part here, and then second is adjust the counterweight until the center of the gravity is reached. So this one is the grip. We are going to install the grip, and as you can see here, guys, there are 5 holes. Okay, so it's where you can find the center of the gravity. The very reason is that hindi siya ganun ka-shaky yung video mo pag nahanap mo yung right gravity or center of this handle, kasi it's the purpose of this item. It's a video stabilizer. So you have to find the gravity, the center of the gravity until it is reached, so we are good to go. And we opted to have this in the first hole because adjusted to this is ito pala yung parang magsastabilize sa kanyang weight or yung hindi siya para maging shaky. Wala timbangan sa baboy. Pwede siya mag-shake kung tama na siya. Ang purpose niya is para mag-control sa kaya nitong kabukaton. So, dili siya mag-shake kung tama po. When you have this. So, it's the purpose para pag ganun, hindi siya yung kasi sobrang bigat niya, promise. So, now we are going to install the grip. So, as I've said, you are going to determine which among the 5 holes you are going to place. This one, it's up to you. So, just adjust naman siya, guys. So, for this video, we opted to have this one. The first hole. Okay, let's try. Okay, use this black one to adjust. Okay. Nanapod. Okay, wait. It's my first time. Basta first time, it's a lot of experience, shaky, nervous, and then it's very nerve-wracking. But as long as you reach your goal, all the efforts are paid off. Wait until you become. No, the black one is pag na-reach mo na yung no. It's not if you're going to use this one, di ba? Again.
Oh, it's raining outside.
Yeah, it's raining outside. It's about mga If you're going to measure the speed of the falling rain, it's like 1,000 kilometers per km. Okay, here we go. It's fixed, and you might wonder why this handle is turning or wobbling because the handle portion there is like circle siya para anytime you can move freely. So like that one. Okay. So for the meantime, let us check how stable is our it's the purpose of the ball part here. So you're going to twist, do it like this. And if you want to start to video, so, tama ba? Balihon siya, panaon. Again na po. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, wait na pastas kami. Ano din siya, guys. See to it that it is properly placed. Oh. Ano siya?